Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's your boy Big John and I'm here today to show you how the Neo Strategy 2 has been fantastic for us, and we've managed to grab at least 80% of a win rate in the last 2 months. Now I know you're going to love this one guys and girls, and I do say that all the time, but trust me, this is one of the simplest strategies out there and you're going to absolutely find this amazing. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so first and foremost, this is the free Telegram group where I've given out more successful gold trades this week, and this week we had about 250 pips that was given out as trade ideas. Even the second entry I gave out was a clean signal with a take profit and a stop loss and entry. Now you can see here I did tell traders that were looking for continuations of buys because we had a daily bullish break of structure on gold. That was this week, and then I was telling them that we're looking for a take profit around 1920 to 1930, and I was telling them also to pay attention to any sell side liquidity as soon as we see the liquidity forming in the next day. In the next day, you having the Neo indicator, you can see how clear this was for you. You can see in London session they made a sell side liquidity here on the 15-minute chart, just going into New York open before all the heavy news. We had a liquidity grab, you even had a verified M15 level, and boom, you see the trade going all the way up there, which from here going all the way up was 250 pips. It was that simple guys and girls, and I mapped it out for you for absolutely free. So make sure you join this group, the link is in the description below. Okay, so now when we go into the VIP chat, this is how we was able to get an 80% win rate over the last 2 months, and you can see here is the records of all of the trades I've been giving out for the VIP entries, and these are trades with stop loss, entry and take profit as well. So you can see here was 1 week and here was another week here as well. Some of them might be over 2 weeks as well, and there is more data that's actually within this area, and there's even some more here. So you can see this is how over 2 months I was able to give out a very good 80% win rate of trades. And I'm also telling traders, if you do join the VIP service which comes with the Neo package, you will be able to pass a prop firm account, as there's no time frame limit on prop firm accounts at the moment, and you're going to be able to become long-term consistently profitable. With all that being said, this is Neo Strategy 2, and I've already made the annotations in here for you. So you can see this is the idea of a buy trade when it comes to Neo Strategy 2, and this is in the Discord. You can actually screenshot this and save this yourself. And here is Strategy 2, a sell trade. So again, you could screenshot this and keep it as some type of confluence list for yourself. The link for my Discord again is in the description below, and over here you can just see under the Neo Strategies area, this is how you can see Strategy 1, Strategy 2, and I'm going to update Strategy 3 soon. Okay, so now that good stuff is out the way, let's get straight into it. So this is Neo on MT4, and this is how we're going to be able to find out how we can take these type of trade setups. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure your multi-time frame break of structure system is on the daily chart. So in your settings, all you have to do is change this to watch daily chart. Now the first confluence here is going to be making sure that price action has broken daily structure first. This is what we'll be looking for. So now we know that the market is in a possible daily uptrend. And then our second confluence is making sure that as price action has broken a daily trend, we just want to make sure that a turncoat level has appeared. So you can see over here, this is a H4 turncoat level. Now every single turncoat level that does appear for us, we can spot it beforehand because it will be a verified level like what you can see up here. So this was a verified level before, price action broke it and it became a turncoat level. So that was an old resistance becoming a new possible support. Now our entry is going to be at the top of this box here. So sometimes price action will just break all the way through, and then you have to wait for it to come back to this area for you to be able to enter this trade setup, or you could set a pending order at the top of this box for a possible buy continuation trade. Now when it comes into our stop loss just has to be at the bottom of this box because we're expecting price action to hold this area and not push itself back down. Don't get me wrong, sometimes it can push itself back down and break this box. This is trading, but the idea is for it to stay within this area. And I've noticed once we follow these confluences, it is at least a 70% win rate on average. So after our stop loss has been placed, the next confluence we're looking for is our take profit area. So we can see here that our take profit level would be the old historical buy side liquidity. Neo does map out all of your liquidities like this, and it's right over here. So you can see that price action from this area here came all the way up to here for about 85 pips. You had about a 43 pip stop loss, and of course price action gave you at least a 1 to 2 trade. Now these trades can still be fantastic if you hold them, depending on how much the market can actually move. And from that entry, you can see that this was actually a 330 pip trade. Now, not only did it give you that entry down here, this verified level was actually a turncoat support the previous week, and then it became a verified level this week. So there was even a re-entry up here for the continuation of this trade, and you would have been able to trade this because what did you have? You also had a daily break of structure here, which is a change of character. It's the same thing. And you also even had another daily break of structure here pulling back for a continuation of this buy trade. Very simple, very easy, guys and girls. Your chart doesn't even have to be messy. Okay, for strategy 2 and the sell trade setups, we're going to use gold. Yes, this does work on every single trading instrument. It's not only Forex pairs. You can see here straight away, the first confluence we have again is a daily break of structure. So this can also be a change of character as well, but it is a daily at this point, so it's still the same thing. Now, the next thing we're looking for right now is a turncoat level to appear. So this was previously a turncoat level, and right over here in the free Telegram group, I actually showed every single person that this was a turncoat level that appeared. You'll see that picture right now. And with that picture being shown, now you can see that you had your entry right here at the bottom of this level. And we was obviously expecting price action to come back to this level. So we saw many taps back towards the same level. So you had a lot of time to be able to get in here, or you could have set a pending order here for the continuation of the sell. Now, when it comes to the stop loss level, of course, our stop loss level would be just above this box here. So we knew that our entry was here and our stop loss was here. And our take profit level would have been the previous sell side liquidity. So you can see there was a previous historical sell side liquidity here, and there was another one here, and price action did what? It went for all of those liquidities down there to go all the way down here for about 500 pips. So this was technically a 500 pip call out that I gave out in the gold group for absolutely free, just showing you what Neo can do with the structure forming and then a turncoat level actually appearing. Absolutely beautiful, guys and girls. So this is how simple it is. I don't even need to explain much more. There was a couple of trade setups this week as well that people were able to catch. We don't really have to work any harder than this to get these trade setups, and this is why strategy 2 is my go-to strategy. So if you do want to get into Neo, guys and girls, and you want to get yourself into the VIP groups where I'm giving out signals that I'm taking based on this strategy, it is 100 GBP, and there's currently 3 spaces left at that price, so do not miss out. The price is going to go up after that, and I believe it's absolutely fair for me to suggest that. With all that being said, guys and girls, it is your boy Big John. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I am out. Easy.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.